Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to upload file to ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT first. You have to go to ChatGPT 4.0 or ChatGPT Plus. Then you can allow to uh, upload the file in ChatGPT. In 3.5 ChatGPT, you are not allowed to upload the file in ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT first. Log into ChatGPT with ID and password. Then you'll find here this attachment icon. You have to click on this attachment icon. Then you'll find here many things. Connect to drive. You can upload file from drive. You can upload file from Microsoft OneDrive, and you can upload file from computer. I'm using computer. Go to computer, and if you want to upload a file, you have to click on this specific file and click on open, and then you can click on enter, or you can add anything. You can write check this and hit enter. So here you can see that it is uploaded, and the ChatGPT is analyzing and telling us what is the file about. Okay, so this is how you can upload file to ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.